Is Dyson's brand new Spot+Scrub AI robot vacuum actually worth its jaw-dropping $1,099 price tag? Or is it just another overhyped gadget? Alright, let's get into it. Dyson finally did it. They launched their first robot that not only vacuums but also mops, with a self-cleaning microfiber roller that actually gets washed and dried in its dock. No more touching yucky mop pads. And this dock? It's a beast. It's bagless, so you're not shelling out for disposable dust bags every few months. It even refills the water tank and dries the roller with hot air, keeping things seriously hygienic. The robot itself is loaded with tech. We're talking DTOF LiDAR and a fancy green light camera that claims to spot almost 200 kinds of objects, and even invisible stains. Plus, its 18,000 Pascal suction is wild, and it gets 4 times stronger on carpet. But here's where things get real. Most reviewers, myself included, are loving the build quality and the self-cleaning system. After weeks of use, the mop roller stayed impressively fresh. No nasty smells here. The smart navigation is a huge upgrade from Dyson's older bots, making mapping a breeze and dodging socks like a pro. But for that price, you expect perfection, right? The Spot+Scrub can struggle with really stubborn dried-on stains. Think ketchup or dried yogurt. Sometimes it takes multiple passes, or you'll even have to help it out. And the software? It's still a little buggy, missing spots or getting stuck trying to find its dock. Also, it's chunky. At 11 cm tall, it just doesn't fit under low couches or beds, and the docking station will eat up some real estate in your room. So, is it a scam? Definitely not. But is it perfect? Not quite yet. If you want the latest tech and spotless floors with minimal effort, and you're okay with a few quirks and a big price tag, this Dyson might just be your dream bot. Otherwise, keep watching the space.